Bar 67 in the Gallowgate last night. The guys asked me they've got a fantastic mural, or murial as Gary Pendry says, a fantastic mural up on the wall. The brother Walfred and Celtic players past and present, and obviously over in the corner there's a great one of Johnny Doyle with his arms folded, and he would love that. He would love to know that he's been remembered well, and he'll be forever in the history of the football club, you know.
I've travelled around these islands, from shore to shining shore. I met so many heroes from the team that I adore. I followed Glasgow Celtic from Lisbon to Aberdeen, but I always remember Johnny Doyle in the green. Oh, he came from Ayr United to join his favourite team, to play for Glasgow Celtic would fulfill his dream. Around about St. Patrick's Day, signed by Big Jock Stein, played only for the jersey, Johnny Doyle in the green. And Johnny Doyle told me, not long before he died, he says, I love my Glasgow Celtic because I'm just a Celtic boy. Oh. In Europe 1980, we all know what Johnny did. He kept a great performance against Real Madrid. He rose with two defenders to win the ball so clean. With Sabido and Camacho was John Doyle in the green. And Johnny Doyle told me, not long before he died, he says, I love my Glasgow Celtic because I'm just a Celtic boy. Oh. So when your prayers remember a gallant Celtic son, his young life cut so cruelly in 1981. The 19th of October turned a grey and rainy day, and then I heard John Doyle had sadly passed away. And Johnny Doyle told me, not long before he died, he says, I love my Glasgow Celtic because I'm just a Celtic boy. He says, I love my Glasgow Celtic because I'm just a Celtic boy.
Henrik came over from Sweden, when Henrik he crossed the North Sea, when Henrik he signed for the Celtic, what a signing he turned out to be. Henrik, oh Henrik's the striker for me, for me. Henrik, oh Henrik's the striker for me. When Janssen said get me a striker, I'll only take one of the best. In Larsson we've sure got a winner, head and shoulders ahead of the rest. Henrik, oh Henrik's the striker for me, for me. Henrik, oh Henrik's the striker for me. He flies through the air when he headers, he's classy when he's on the ball. His skill it bewilders defenders, but his hair it bewilders us all. Henrik, oh Henrik's the striker for me, for me. Henrik, oh Henrik's the striker for me. He said I'll tie knots in my barnet to make sure that I never go bald. I'll try to play grape like wee Jinky and look good like wee Bertie all. Henrik, oh Henrik's the striker for me, for me. Henrik, oh Henrik's the striker for me. A fuzzbomb he is as a player, he strikes when the time is just right. His goal-scoring answers are prayers. Oh, what a glorious sight. Henrik, oh Henrik's the striker for me, for me. Henrik, oh Spurdy, birdie, schmurdy.
Is it each other in my son? We seek him here, we seek him there, never to find is very rare. You can go to any single country in the world and you'll find dedicated followers of Celtic. Yes, you can look in Dublin town, Australia too, or County Down. The Timberloy is found in every street in every town, 'cause he's a dedicated follower of Celtic. Oh yes he is, oh yes he is, oh yes he is, oh yes he is. From County Clare to Singapore or China, America or Canada, you'll find him. He'll never hide his colours, 'cause these colours they don't run, 'cause he's a dedicated follower of Celtic. Oh yes he is, oh yes he is, oh yes he is, oh yes he is. In Germany or Holland and in Norway, in all the towns like Donegal or Marseille, Glasgow town is where he's bound to watch the famous hoops, 'cause he's a dedicated follower of Celtic. Throughout the years we've had our times, 9 in a row with Buckfast wine. 1967 is the year we all love best, 'cause we are dedicated followers of Celtic. The greatest team we've ever seen, the Lisbon Lions, with big Jobstein. And now a new millennium with Martin on the throne, and he's a dedicated follower of Celtic. Oh yes he is, oh yes he is, oh yes he is, oh yes he is. County Clare to Singapore of China, America or Canada, you'll find him. He'll never hide his colours, cause these colours they don't run, cause he's a dedicated follower of Celtic. We seek him here, we seek him there, never to find is very rare. You can go to any single country in the world and you'll find dedicated followers of Celtic. Yes, you'll find dedicated followers of Celtic. Yeah, you'll find dedicated followers of Celtic.
Hey, hey, ball bag! Hey, ball bag! Ball bag, ball bag, ball bag! Ball bag, ball bag, ball bag! Ball bag, ball bag! Ball bag! A fucking skinny ball bag, a fat ball bag! A fucking bus ball bag! A fucking manky bastard ball bag! And another ball bag! Hey, ball bag! Hey, ball bag! Aye, you ball bag! You guys fucking summertime, you're a J-Cune! Fucking ball bag! And another ball bag! And another ball bag! And another ball bag! Another one! There's fucking hundreds of them! Too many fucking ball bags! I'll put away, fucking...
Come let us sing a Celtic song of fame and pride and glory, and let us wrap the honoured story around the name of glory. He led the line of Scotland fame, he led the Celtic glory, and left your glasses the one and all the ocean's kings, my glory. They better yet than Wembley way, they'll tell you all his history. They'll tell you there can never be another James McGrory. He led the line of Scotland fame, he led the Celtic glory, and let your glasses one and all the toast to James McGrory. After the game is over, after the game is through, Celtic are all in clover, they just beat the boys in blue. Many a cheer they're making after the great display. Many a hand we are shaking, I've had their way. After the game is over, after the game is through, Celtic are all in clover, they've just beat the boys in blue. Many a cheer they're making after the great display. Many a hand we are shaking at Parkhead Way. Still for dear old Glasgow, Charlie Tully was his name. He was born and bred in Belfast town, and he played this football game. He signed for Glasgow Celtic, he filled her hearts with joy. A credit to